Okay, in today's video I'm going to demonstrate a good system that you can use for a restaurant environment that has a tablet for table service and then a normal POS system that you can use as a cashier's desk. In this example we have a tablet, a POS system, an 80mm thermal receipt printer with auto card that serves as an order printer and the receipt printer, and a good solid 8 coins 5 notes cash drawer. Here we're gonna place an order, for example in table number 3, and you can see that it's going to reflect in table number beg your pardon, it's table number 7, that it's actually locked out from other terminals because one of the tablets is logged into that particular table. And I'm going to choose a couple of products, and then I'm going to send it to the kitchen. And this is going to be a Wi-Fi tablet that's going to be roaming, and you can just hop one table to the other, placing orders continuously. Like again, for example, select table number 2, put an order through, and then send it to the kitchen, and then select another table, put a couple of orders, and then send it to the table. You might notice that there are two printouts coming out of this printer, and that's basically because we have separated the coffee printing, the drinks printing, and the kitchen orders into 2 different printers. But in this example we are only going to use one printer to serve as both. And now in the main terminal you can see all those tables that we have served food is occupied, and anytime when the people are back at the cashier's desk to make the payment, you simply select, in this example, select the table number 7. You can see the ordered items, and then you can give discounts, do whatever alterations that you wanted to do to the payment, and simply press pay. And customer might give you a $50 note, and you can ask from the customer whether you would like a receipt or not. Believe to save paper, you can see this button is turned on and off according to your preference, and you simply say OK. The balance will be displayed in the main screen. You get the final receipt, and then the cash drawer opens automatically to drop the EzyPOS docket. Again, select another table. You can do alterations as well. Let's say a person comes back to the counter and asks to get a couple of drinks. You just put the 2 drinks in, and then you can send the order back into the drinks printer. Pretty much you call it a top-up of an existing table. And then you select one of the tables again to demonstrate another payment. You go to pay, and this time customer pays by card, and you say, customer says not to worry about the final receipt, I'll just turn that off, and then there won't be any receipts when the cash drawer opens. If you want to split a bill, you select this table, and there are maybe you can split n number of ways, but simply go in here, move the one that you wanted to take by the first person, and it's $20 in this example. Balance is $32.50. You press OK, and we are taking this $20. Customer gives you an exact $20 note. You don't need to press any of these notes because that's an exact money. Customer still wants a final receipt, and you just say OK to it. And the balance remains in the system. And if you want to split it again, you can do so. Otherwise, if that's the second and the last person, you can simply pay customer again a $50 note. Customer don't want a receipt, and you press OK. The balance will display in the system, and you can just give the change to the customer. That's pretty much a standard setup for a restaurant that you can conveniently do your table service and manage your orders. And I have only demonstrated the sales table service side of the POS system. And I'm Guy from EzyPOS. Hope to see you next time with more detail into product setup and stock taking.